Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to use Jira and Confluence together. So first, you want to go to Confluence on your preferred web browser and you want to make sure that you have logged in using the same Jira account that you are using in Jira. And once you're here in Confluence, you want to navigate over here to the left sidebar. You want to click on Other or Personal in order to see all of your pages or your templates that you have. So you're going to click on a page that you already have. So just go ahead and make sure that you have opened up the correct page. Then you're going to click on the page where you'll be able to see this plus icon. So you can either click on the plus icon or you can just simply type in a slash symbol. Then we're going to type Jira. And after that, you'll be able to see all of the Jira applications or extensions that you can use here in Confluence. So just go ahead and select the Jira application that you need. That could be Jira Legacy, the work items, or you can also create Jira work item, the Jira charts, Jira timeline, the premium plan, issues calendar, roadmap, the labels gadget, and other assets. So once you have selected a application, it will automatically open up this tab where you can go ahead and choose an existing issue or whatever is the application that you have used. You'll be able to see all of your existing items, and you can also search for it if a search bar is available. And then once you have seen the item that you are looking for, you can click on it. Then you're going to click on Insert over here at the bottom so that it will appear over here in your page. And the same also goes if you're going to click on Jira Work Items. You're just simply going to select an item that you were looking for, and you can also create other work items by clicking on Create Jira Work Item over here. Then this tab will open up. Then you can go ahead and create a new item via Confluence. So I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.